Hi folks, I'm making this video to do a demo of how we can change fuse of the position of a cigarette lighter in the case of Volkswagen Jetta, and mine is Volkswagen Jetta 2013 right-hand drive, which is the UK Ireland model, right? So this basically is the position where my cigarette lighter point goes, and it's not glowing up. As you can see, there's no light on this, and I was trying to find out how can we change this. So one of the things which I came across was it could be the fuse which is gone, right? And I was trying to find out the solution of it, and I came across that you have to change the fuse of the cigarette lighter position to make it work, right? So the fuse box in the case of Volkswagen Jetta, and in my case for 2013, is just beneath the driving steering box. So this is where it is, and you just push this one and this will come out for you. And as you can see, you have all the fuses over here, and in my case, so there you can see now, and in my case it is this baby which we have to change. This fuse, this is gone, and because of this fuse, the cigarette lighter point is not working in my car. So as I'm taking it out now, you can see, so this fuse, this is the actual one which we are going to, so that is from where you have taken it out, and it's basically number 6 position from here. 1 2 3 4 5 6, so here is where it has to go. The fuse which I've taken out is this one, and as you can see, the triangle of the fuse, it's broken, which means the fuse is gone, right? So we'll replace this one and we'll see whether our cigarette lighter has started to work or not. So this is a normal 20 amp fuse. This is the right one, the accurate one, which I've just bought from Halfords. So this one is basically 20 amp. Yellow one is where it has to go. So I'll just replace this and we'll retry whether the cigarette light is working or not. Right folks, so I have now replaced the fuse, as you can see, and let's switch the car on and let's see whether it is working. So yes, we could see the blue light coming now, so it means our fuse point is now fixed. So it's that easy, guys. You can do it at home very easily, no need to go for any mechanic or any sort of this. So hope you guys like this video and find this useful. Thank you very much.